Hey there, ready to unlock the power of ChatGPT and feel like a tech wizard? Stick with us for the next few minutes, and you'll be prompting like a pro. Even if you don't know what that means yet. ChatGPT is an AI-powered chatbot created by OpenAI that can understand and generate human-like text. There's a free version that you can get at chatgpt.com. You type in a question or task, called a prompt, and ChatGPT gives you a helpful response. What is a prompt? Okay, fancy word alert. Prompt is just a cool way of saying what you type in to ask ChatGPT for help. It works like a super smart assistant that you can chat with. You type in a question or task, called a prompt, and ChatGPT gives you a helpful response. It's your question, your command, your magical spell to make the AI do its thing. The cool thing is it can remember your inquiry history. You can use ChatGPT to write an engaging email, a persuasive letter, or an essay homework. You can ask it to do just about anything. You can use to write emails, stories, or scripts. Get homework help, create images, solve Excel and Word problems, plan your day, meals, or workouts. Here's a prompt idea. Write a polite email to my teacher with a summary of a story assignment. Yes, it can read, scan, and summarize an entire book. There are so many uses. Can it write a script for a YouTube video? Yes, you can write scripts, manuscripts, lyrics, or poetry. Example prompt: write a 1-minute funny script for my YouTube channel video about cats and dogs. Boom, instant creativity boost. Using ChatGPT with Excel and Word. Got stuck in Excel? Yes, ChatGPT can help you with Excel and lets you attach a file to scan. Need help in Word? ChatGPT can help you with MS Word, from writing and merging to automation tasks. It's like having a smart buddy who actually likes homework. Generating images, yes, pictures. Use ChatGPT with image tools to create a prompt idea. Create an image of a cat wearing sunglasses. Plan a simple dinner menu for the week. Or give me 10 best restaurants in San Francisco that is fancy yet affordable. Basically, it's like having a 24/7 brainstorming buddy, a tutor, a translator, and writing assistant rolled into one. You get the idea. It's like a personal assistant or teacher who never takes a lunch break. And if you're tired of typing, you can use the microphone for speech tasks. Final tip. The better you explain what you want, the better ChatGPT's answer will be. Be clear, be fun, and don't be afraid to experiment. Now go ahead, experiment with it, type something in, and see the magic happen. You can also try Google's Gemini, Claude, and DeepSeek for everyday or complicated tasks. And the good news? There's now an upgraded version ChatGPT 5.0 available for free. So there you have it, folks. Until next video, keep on exploring.